Hello, this is Sai Kiran Ram here. I wanted to share a few things with you today, and emotions were coming out in such volume that I did not have time to make a classy and lengthy YouTube video about it. So I thought I'll immediately post a selfie video online. So recently, you would have seen in the news that there was a drug released by Patanjali about Corona. It's called Coronil, and immediately there was a national uproar about it. Many PILs were filed. I think FIRs were also filed against him, and to stop the drug from coming out. Uh, Ayush Ministry had stopped it, and they were like, no, 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 this is all false information and things like that. No, what I want to ask is that Ayurvedic medicine, which has Giloy, Ashwagandha, and one more item in it, is that dangerous if you consume it normally? If you don't have corona, will it kill you? No, it won't kill you. It's just a herb. It won't kill you. So why so much uproar about it? Let it be released. If it doesn't work, the public will put it aside. Why to immediately become so panicked that your fellow Indian is coming up, and why to immediately put off cases and PILs on him, when one Maharashtra minister was saying that if Patanjali claims that it will cure corona, then I'll take action on him. You take action against your inefficient people who are handling the state of affairs in your this thing state, who's who have a major corona spike in your state. You don't take action on somebody who's trying to do something for the country. And there was one more company called Bharat Biotech. They were trying to make a corona vaccine. I think today was the first clinical trial being done. It came in all the newspapers, and newspapers were the online news channels, and in some places there were comments like, "Yeah, yeah, these guys will do it," and there were many world leaders like America, Israel, France are all trying to develop. UK is trying to develop. They're all trying. They're all struggling with a vaccine or a corona cure, and these guys found it. It's just a marketing gimmick. All this will not work. Okay. Why? Why do you look down upon yourself so much? Why do you have a problem if an Indian is trying to develop, trying to make it big? We, why do we cry so much if a fellow Indian has done something that nobody else has done in this world? We look down upon ourselves so much everywhere. We have something called the slave mentality. From the time Britishers have left, they've left us long back, but we still have that same mentality where we think that we are useless. Indian products are useless. Indians are useless. Our country is not such a big, powerful country. We think like that, but why? Aren't there so many Indians outside in the world leading major, major things? Like so many scientists are there in NASA. Do you know? And see, for example, Google Sundar Pichai, isn't he from India? He's made it big, hasn't he? There was an Indian, this thing, astronaut also, Sunita Chawla. She's made it big. And who can bat like Sachin Tendulkar and Dhoni? Why do we, why do we think that we are not good enough? Why do we think that we cannot come up with good products? If somebody is trying to make a product, we'll immediately put him down. We'll say, "अरे waste यार, क्या कुछ काम नहीं करेगा, waste. All that doesn't work." Why do we do that? We uh, we are first in line, you know. Like for example, we are like, what they say is, we like crabs. When crabs are put in a basket, if one is trying to come up, the other one will pull it down. That's how we think. So if somebody is trying to make a change, first immediately splatter some mud on him, get him some bad name, then his product won't sell well. Then even after that, if it releases, like for example Coronil has released now, so once it got a bad name, it won't have that much of an effect in the market. It's like anti-marketing. Why do we do that? It's our own product, it's our own Indian product. Let us try, if it works, good, otherwise we'll kick it off. Why do we want to criticize ourselves so much? And recently I made a video about how we can slowly boycott Chinese video. Even for that, I got some gyan messages from some friends saying, no Ray, you're just talking, but it's difficult to live without Chinese products. It's not possible. It's all okay when you write it or say it in YouTube videos, but all that is not practically possible. I say, why not? Why the not? Why can't we slowly make a transition at least? When China is attacking us, when China is taking away your bloody Arunachal Pradesh, what else do we do? And some people are saying we should not anger a superpower like China. It's a bad decision. Excuse me, come on. We should not anger China. Otherwise, what should we do? Shall we give away Arunachal Pradesh to China? Shall we say, sorry sir for killing 43 soldiers? It's okay even if you kill 20 more of ours. Please take Arunachal Pradesh. And that Aksai Chin also, good that you've taken, sir. Please take Ladakh also, sir. And Pakistan also, let us give away. Then let us say sorry. Because China has occupied Gilgit-Baltistan now, which is in Pak-occupied Kashmir. Now China is there. Why to anger China? No. Let us give it off then. What do you expect, yeah? How do you run this country if you keep on bowing your head like that, like a slave all the time after so many years of independence? Now we are emerging as a superpower. Now we are one of the most respected countries in the world. They are inviting us to join the G7 for God's sakes. And we still think like that. Not to anger our neighbors, not to piss them off. Why the hell not? If they are making a mistake, it's time we pay them back. I'm not a bhakt. I'm not a bhakt of Narendra Modi or something like that. It's okay if you hate Modi. Vote for somebody else. But don't look down upon yourselves. You're also an Indian. If you look down upon another Indian, it's like you're looking down upon yourselves. And the internet is a global stage. And if you write some bad comments below our own Indian products, what will the other world people, what respect will they give us? It's time we change. We don't even know if we'll make it out through this. Do you know? Of course we will, but I'm saying it is such a time now that we don't even know if we will cross this bloody December and live. We don't even know whether we will say Happy New Year to your parents or to your grandparents next January. The thing is, the situation is like that. And in this situation, you're busy criticizing your countrymen. You're busy roaming around courts, filing cases on other countrymen who are trying to fight this disease. How shameful is this? It was so difficult to finish making this particular video, without the use of profanity. Sometimes, as I say, the supply of curse words is insufficient to meet my demands. This is such a situation. Jai Hind.